Welcome to our exploration of the art of emerging Europe. Today, we'll journey through the influential periods and styles that have shaped European art from ancient Greece to the early 20th century. Let's begin with ancient Greece, a civilization that excelled in politics, poetry, drama, philosophy, and of course, the arts. Greek art is divided into four periods: Geometric, Archaic, Classical, and Hellenistic. The Geometric period saw the rise of art characterized by geometric shapes and patterns. The Archaic period followed, focusing on human figures influenced by Greece's trade with other civilizations. The Classical period marked the pinnacle of Greek sculpture and architecture. The Hellenistic period, during the time of Alexander the Great, showcased art that emphasized emotion and realism. A notable example is Laocoon and his sons, depicting intense emotion and dynamic movement. Greek civilization also gave birth to theater and drama, originally part of religious ceremonies for Dionysus. It evolved into structured plays that are the foundation of modern theater. Moving to ancient Rome, established around 500 before Christ era, it became a formidable empire influenced heavily by Greek culture. Roman art combined Greek aesthetics with their own, focusing on realism and grandeur. A prime example is the Colosseum, a marvel of Roman engineering and architecture. The Middle Ages followed the fall of the Roman Empire, marked by the Church's dominance. Art from this period includes illuminated manuscripts and grand cathedrals, divided into Romanesque and Gothic styles. The Renaissance, meaning rebirth, celebrated humanism and the individual. Art from this period emphasized naturalism, perspective, and often featured on non-religious themes. This era also revived Roman theatrical traditions, leading to grand court performances and the birth of opera. Mannerism emerged from the Renaissance, with artists creating works that featured distorted figures, unusual colors, and complex compositions. This period focused more on style and emotion than realism. Next, we have the Baroque and Rococo periods. The Baroque, born in Rome, responded to the Protestant Reformation with dramatic, ornate, and grand art. Rococo, following Baroque, was lighter and more playful, emphasizing elegance and decorative elements. The Neoclassicism arose in the late 18th century, inspired by the classical art of Greece and Rome. It aimed to return to the simplicity and purity of ancient art, contrasting the excesses of the Baroque. Romanticism followed, highlighting emotion, heroism, and the beauty of nature. It often focused on themes of justice, equality, and social order, reflecting the revolutionary spirit of the time. Realism, emerging in the 19th century, depicted everyday life with accuracy and detail. It was a reaction against the idealism of previous periods, emphasizing the ordinary and observable. Impressionism broke from tradition in the late 1800s, focusing on capturing moments with light and color. Artists like Monet and Renoir use loose brushstrokes to convey their impressive of scenes. Post-Impressionism and Neo-Impressionism built on Impressionism, but with more structure and emotional depth. Artists like Van Gogh and Seurat developed in unique styles, influencing modern art. Art Nouveau spanning from 1890 to 1910 embraced following organic lines and decorative arts. This style appeared in architecture, jewelry, and design, emphasizing natural forms and elegance. Fauvism, emerging in the early 20th century, used bold, vibrant colors and simple forms. Artists like Matisse sought to express emotion through their use of color, breaking from traditional three-dimensional representation. Cubism, pioneered by Picasso and Braque, deconstructed objects into geometric shapes and multiple perspectives. This innovative approach challenged the convention of perspective and representation. Futurism, originating in Italy, celebrated modernity, speed, and technology. It captured the dynamic energy of industrial age, influencing various art forms and movements. From ancient Greece to the early 20th century, European art has undergone tremendous transformation. Each period and style contributed to the rich tapestry of art history, reflecting the evolving ideals, emotions, and innovations of their times. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the art of emerging Europe.